Right. So our next step is a very, very easy one. Okay. We are going to take one of these big circles. We're going to put it in the lower middle area of the paper, like this. Okay. And we're going to trace it. Doesn't matter that it's sitting on top of all your birds or insects. Okay, no big deal. Like that. All right. So once I've done that, now I'm going to get my bag of markers here. Now you don't have to separate them if you don't want to, but you're also going to get out your warm and cool colors worksheet, okay? Because you're going to need that. So get that out. Get out bag of markers. You'll probably have to share with a neighbor. And what you want to do now is decide, do I want to put my cool colors in these insects or birds that are in my circle or outside? Okay? Mr. H, I'm going to choose to put my cool colors in these particular little beasts that are inside the circle. So you take color, very, very carefully outline your little critter. You want to use all the different colors in here, all right? Now, the question is, Mr. H, how did I know that this was a cool color? Well, you look at your worksheet and you compare the marker colors to what you've already done and see where they fit and make a decision based on that. Then you are neatly and carefully going to fill in the items that are inside the circle. Now again, you could choose either warm or cool colors, but not both. All right, so I've chosen to do the cool colors inside, and as I work, check this out. I don't want those cool colors to get outside of the circle. You're only going to be filling in the stuff that is inside the circle, and then you stop when you hit the line that shows where the circle is. Always trace my items first so I get a nice outline of them. So you can see I stopped with this cool violet color when I hit the edge of the circle. I'm going to do one more for you. So, again, I'm outlining the item first and filling it in until I hit the circle line. Now you will probably be using these colors 2 or 3 times each. Okay, so it's okay if you have to repeat colors. Notice that I am staying in those lines because good craftsmanship is important in my class. That's how you're going to get a really good grade on this. So I'm going to continue to do this. Fill in all these ones inside the circle with my cool colors. If you have chosen to do the warm colors, then you would do those there. Okay? When you're done, guys, all you got to do is flip the light switch, and you're going to be using your opposite color family on the outside. So if I chose to do cool inside, the ones on the outside are going to be warm. Easy peasy. Like so. And there you go. So that is the second step of our project. It is the most important step because you have to figure out your warms versus your cools and get them into the right place or it's going to affect your grade. So take your time when you compare them to your worksheet.